Hello everybody, Dan here from Sherp. As you know, my fusible shaft busted and I got the darn thing fixed. It was a pain in the butt, but I did get it back up and running again. This video is just basically testing the Sherp, so I am prepared for a couple of pretty huge adventures with multiple Sherps coming up here in the near future, and I wanted to make sure the darn thing was going to hold up, so I'm just doing a little bit of testing to make sure everything worked correctly. I started out the whole process just by going out in the front yard and knocking down some trees. Unfortunately, I did something stupid here, is when you do knock down trees, you want to make sure that you're using the either body of the Sherp or the tire to knock down dead trees. Don't allow it to get between the tire and the frame of the Sherp, which is exactly what I did. Don't do that, because there is a grease zerk that's on the shaft in the middle, and you just got to be careful, and you don't want to get a tree knocked up or caught up on the inside between there, because it'll make that fusible shaft bust. So be careful. Next we went to Lake Winnebago, and this I believe was during Battle on the Bago, and the ice conditions were not that good. Very warm temperatures, there wasn't a lot of snow. They couldn't even put a lot of bridges out over some of the cracks. But I still went out and had a little fun. I believe the scenery is absolutely gorgeous. No need for me to chat about anything. Take it in. Quick little inspection revealed that all the bolts are tight. Everything looks good. Let's hope she stays together. Just going to go on a little spin in the backyard. See what happens. Sherp is running great. Fantastic. Sounds excellent. Here I had a little bit too much air in the tires. That's why I couldn't get any grip. It just popped right out of there. And then after putzing in the yard, we eventually made it to Lake Winnebago and saw these guys in distress.
Gotta be Russian.
Yes.
No, no Russian. Ukraine. Ukraine. They make, Russia and Ukraine both make them. There's two different versions.
That's my mittens.
What do you need? You need
My mittens.
This side-by-side was stuck big time. They had a hole in the ice very similar to the thing that Julie designed to try to pull it out, but they were not having any success. We were able to hook up the Sherp, and we were pulling on it. We were making a little bit of progress, but not much. It started slipping right away and didn't give us a lot of grip. So eventually we had to use the best power, muscle power, to try to help get this baby pulled out. For those of you that don't know, that is a crack that forms in the ice as the wind and temperature and things move the ice back and forth. Again, ice takes up more space than water, so things have to move someplace, and this is the result.
Yes!
So all in all, the event went fairly smoothly. We were able to get him out of there and went from there.
Do it automatically.
Hey guys, I don't have your
My
phone
boyfriend!
number. Just, I think, be careful, there is like 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Just turn over for the machine. Come on.
For the machine!
Yeah, exactly. Just give me your email address.
Yes, sir. The phone number. You have
Hey.
text? You know how to text?
Yes, just I tell you, a little bit drunk. Not a little bit drunk. Not
That's
much.
okay. Don't-
I just how to. Come on.
These folks were actually from Czech Republic. This is the second time we met people from outside the United States on Lake Winnebago. Last time it was some folks from Russia.
One right here, this one right here.
Can you leave it by the Bluetooth?
Sure.
I'm a problem with my feet.
Do the other foot then. Or, I don't know how you want it.
Okay.
Now that's a 10.
Patrick, wait.
Coming up to an end of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope all is going well. Take care, everyone.